Hello everyone.
Former Deputy President David Mabuza has shut down speculation that he has joined his former political ally Jacob Zuma in the Umkhonto weSizwe party. Since he endorsed the new party in mid-December, Zuma has been recruiting his former allies in the ANC, and there was online speculation that Mabuza, the former Mpumalanga ANC chairperson, had crossed over to the MK party. Mabuza's office issued a statement on Thursday in which he dismissed the claims as false, making him one of the few politicians who distanced themselves from rumors that they had joined Zuma's party. The statement described Mabuza as a committed member of the ANC who had been campaigning for the governing party in the upcoming and the provincial elections on 29 May. The statement said, Mabuza expresses shock and dismay at the speculations and insinuations circulating on social media linking him with the newly formed political entity known as Umkhonto weSizwe Party. Mabuza categorically refutes any association with the MK Party and reaffirms his unwavering commitment to the ANC, a party he has faithfully served for over 3 decades. He denounces the spreading of falsehoods on social media as an attempt to undermine the gains achieved by the ANC-led revolution, which has positively impacted the lives of millions of South Africans. His office added that the news was nothing but ambush marketing tactics employed by those seeking to undermine the significant progress made by the ANC, and said, I remain firmly aligned with the supportive of the renewal agenda spearheaded by the leadership of the ANC, which represents the only viable path for change in South Africa. Mabuza's office added that he was confident that the ANC would maximize efforts to fast-track progress and advance change, and said ANC detractors and purveyors of doom will not succeed because millions of those who benefited from the ANC recognized the party's impact, and said, in the forthcoming elections, the confidence of people in ANC's ability to bring about positive change will be evident. The ANC's legacy of freedom and democracy, and through the struggle against apartheid, will continue to guide us as we strive to build better South Africa for all. Mabuza was quoted as saying in the statement, Mabuza was once a key cog in the Premier League, a political triumvirate that backed Zuma's slate in the lead-up to the ruling party's 2017 elective conference. However, when it counted the most, Mabuza famously ditched the Premier League, which comprised then Free State Premier Ace Magashule and then Northwest Premier Supra Maupela. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.